We're making Japanese egg salad sandos. I don't think it's going to be that hard. You're going to want to start with 6 eggs, get yourself a little milk, a little bit of sugar, salt and pepper. This is very important. You need to get Kewpie mayo. And then the last thing is this shokupan or milk bread. I don't know how to make this, so I found a bakery in the Northland in Kansas City that makes shokupan. So I got this. I have another video about it if you check back, but this is our shokupan. You're just going to take your eggs and drop them into the boiling water. You're going to drop those into an ice bath for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have your eggs all cooled off, you're going to want to roll them to start to get that shell to come off. And then hopefully it will come off fairly easily. If not, it doesn't really matter. You just have to separate the yolks from the eggs. That's what it's going to look like afterwards. So you're going to take that yolk out and pop the yolks into a bowl. There's all our beautiful egg yolks that we have separated. We're going to put that off to the side. We're going to dice up all of these egg whites. You're going to want to get yourself a food scale. This is how I do it. You want to put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Kewpie mayo, which is the most important part, or you can measure with your heart. That's going to be about 45 grams of Kewpie mayo. After that, you just want to put in a little pinch of sugar and a little bit of milk, and then salt and pepper. I'm going to switch out the salt for actually some MSG I forgot that I had instead of the salt. It probably doesn't matter much, but I do mix the yolks first, and then I'm going to fold in all of the whites that I have cut up over here. There's all the egg whites that we diced up, and we're just going to slide them right into the bowl, mix it with that egg yolk. So you're just going to want to fold in that egg yolk and the egg white mixture until it's all nicely incorporated, and then put it in the fridge for probably at least 10 to 15 minutes, if not longer. While that's in the fridge, you want to grab your shokupan or milk bread. Again, shout out to Sour Rabbit Bakery here in Kansas City. And you want to cut off the crusts. Look how soft that is. Once you've cut off the crust, this is what it should look like. You're going to do a light swipe of butter on both sides that you're going to put the egg salad on. And I'm not going to waste the crust. I'm going to toast them in the oven, probably with some garlic and some butter. Make croutons. And there you have the Japanese egg salad sando. Delicious. It makes 3 big giant sandwiches. I'm going to share this with my family. If you like what you saw, give me a follow.